I go to school by bus every day.
I go to school by bus every day.
She wants to learn how to cook.
She wants to learn how to cook.
Today is a beautiful, sunny day.
Today is a beautiful, sunny day.
I have a lot of work to do today.
I have a lot of work to do today.
We like to eat dinner together.
We like to eat dinner together.
The children play together in the park.
The children play together in the park.
Where is the toilet in this restaurant?
Where is the toilet in this restaurant?
I need to go to the toilet.
I need to go to the toilet.
This red tomato is very fresh.
This red tomato is very fresh.
I want a tomato on my sandwich.
I want a tomato on my sandwich.
I will see you tomorrow morning.
I will see you tomorrow morning.
We are going to the park tomorrow.
We are going to the park tomorrow.
Let's watch a movie at home tonight.
Let's watch a movie at home tonight.
Are you free to meet tonight?
Are you free to meet tonight?
I want to go to the park too.
I want to go to the park too.
This coffee is too hot for me.
This coffee is too hot for me.
My tooth hurts when I eat sweets.
My tooth hurts when I eat sweets.
The baby has one small tooth.
The baby has one small tooth.
What is the topic of the book?
What is the topic of the book?
This is a difficult topic for me.
This is a difficult topic for me.
The tourist takes photos of the city.
The tourist takes photos of the city.
A tourist asks me for directions.
A tourist asks me for directions.
I live in a small town.
I live in a small town.
The town has a nice library.
The town has a nice library.
There is a lot of traffic today.
There is a lot of traffic today.
The traffic is very bad in the morning.
The traffic is very bad in the morning.
The train leaves the station at 5.
The train leaves the station at 5.
I go to work by train.
I go to work by train.
I like to travel to new places.
I like to travel to new places.
We travel by car in the summer.
We travel by car in the summer.
There is a big green tree outside.
There is a big green tree outside.
The bird sits in the tall tree.
The bird sits in the tall tree.
We had a good trip to London.
We had a good trip to London.
How was your trip last week?
How was your trip last week?
I need to buy new trousers.
I need to buy new trousers.
These black trousers are too long.
These black trousers are too long.
Is the story true or false?
Is the story true or false?
It is true that I like pizza.
It is true that I like pizza.
Please try to finish your homework.
Please try to finish your homework.
I want to try this cake.
I want to try this cake.
Please turn left at the corner.
Please turn left at the corner.
It is your turn to play now.
It is your turn to play now.
There are 12 eggs in the box.
There are 12 eggs in the box.
The meeting is at 12 o'clock.
The meeting is at 12 o'clock.
The shirt costs $20.
The shirt costs $20.
There are 20 students in the class.
There are 20 students in the class.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
She called me twice this morning.
She called me twice this morning.
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Can I have 2 apples, please?
Can I have 2 apples, please?
What type of music do you like?
What type of music do you like?
This is a new type of phone.
This is a new type of phone.
Take an umbrella because it is raining.
Take an umbrella because it is raining.
My umbrella is red and big.
My umbrella is red and big.
My uncle lives in a different city.
My uncle lives in a different city.
I visited my uncle last weekend.
I visited my uncle last weekend.
The cat is sleeping under the table.
The cat is sleeping under the table.
Put your bag under the seat.
Put your bag under the seat.
Do you understand the question?
Do you understand the question?
I do not understand this word.
I do not understand this word.
My brother goes to university in London.
My brother goes to university in London.
The university is near the city center.
The university is near the city center.
Wait here until the bus comes.
Wait here until the bus comes.
The shop is open until 9 o'clock.
The shop is open until 9 o'clock.
Please stand up when the teacher enters.
Please stand up when the teacher enters.
Look up at the blue sky.
Look up at the blue sky.
My bedroom is upstairs on the left.
My bedroom is upstairs on the left.
Go upstairs and wash your hands.
Go upstairs and wash your hands.
Can you help us with this problem?
Can you help us with this problem?
She gave us some delicious cookies.
She gave us some delicious cookies.
Can I use your pen, please?
Can I use your pen, please?
I use a computer for my work.
I use a computer for my work.
This book is very useful for learning.
This book is very useful for learning.
A map is useful when you travel.
A map is useful when you travel.
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
We usually go to the beach in summer.
We usually go to the beach in summer.
We are going on vacation next week.
We are going on vacation next week.
How was your summer vacation?
How was your summer vacation?
A carrot is an orange vegetable.
A carrot is an orange vegetable.
You should eat a vegetable every day.
You should eat a vegetable every day.
The weather is very hot today.
The weather is very hot today.
Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you very much for your help.
Let's watch a funny video online.
Let's watch a funny video online.
He recorded a video of the party.
He recorded a video of the party.
My grandmother lives in a quiet village.
My grandmother lives in a quiet village.
The village has only one shop.
The village has only one shop.
I want to visit my friend tomorrow.
I want to visit my friend tomorrow.
We will visit the museum on Sunday.
We will visit the museum on Sunday.
We have a visitor at our house.
We have a visitor at our house.
The visitor knocked on the door.
The visitor knocked on the door.
Please wait for me outside the shop.
Please wait for me outside the shop.
We have to wait for the bus.
We have to wait for the bus.
The waiter brought us the menu.
The waiter brought us the menu.
We asked the waiter for some water.
We asked the waiter for some water.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
Please wake me at 6 o'clock.
Please wake me at 6 o'clock.
I walk to the park every day.
I walk to the park every day.
Let's go for a walk this evening.
Let's go for a walk this evening.
There is a picture on the wall.
There is a picture on the wall.
The wall is painted white.
The wall is painted white. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.